Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post on GitHub. Posting on GitHub means sharing your code, updates, or ideas with the community. You can contribute to public repositories or keep your work private. And let me show you how to post on GitHub effectively. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to create a new repository. Now after logging in to GitHub using your account's credentials, and you'll be directed to your accounts dashboard. From here, click on the plus icon or the new icon and choose new repository. As you can see, this is the menu for creating a new repository. Name your repository. For example, I'll just name it anything random, and click on choose which option, if you want to create a public repository or a private one. You can also add a readme file, and you can choose the license also. And then after that, after you finish modifying, click on create repository. The second step is to initiate the repository with readme. Now if you're starting afresh, check the box to initialize with the readme. This file will describe your projects to others. As for the third step, you upload your files. Now inside the repository, click add files and upload files. Click add files and then click on uploading them. And drag and drop down your files or choose files from your computer. And after that, click commit changes to add the files. For the fourth step, share and post updates. Now whenever you make updates to your projects, add new files or create new branches. And post updates in the issue tab to track changes and add a change log in your readme. Remember to always keep your repository organized with proper file structure and use GitHub pages to host your projects online. And if your project is an open source, provide clear contribution guidelines in the readme. And now you know how to post on GitHub, create a repository, upload files, and keep your community updated. And start sharing your projects with the world today. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.